Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming updates because outdated software often blocks sounds. First, check iOS and Messenger for updates. Install any pending updates. Once done, open iPhone settings, tap notifications, then locate Messenger. This is where system-level controls live. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Focus modes are off, then verify the hardware volume and mute switch. These initial checks eliminate common causes, so you can proceed to deeper notification controls without wasting time on trivial fixes. Now focus on Messenger-specific settings because the app can override system tones. In Settings, right arrow Notifications, right arrow Messenger, enable Allow Notifications and turn sounds on. Choose all alert types so banners and lock screen alerts appear. Then open the Messenger app, go to your profile, tap Notifications and Sounds, and pick a distinct sound. Make sure message previews are set as you prefer. These steps ensure both system and app are aligned, so sounds are permitted, and the correct tone is selected. Finish by restarting your iPhone to apply changes. A reboot clears transient issues. Then ask someone to send a test message or use a second account to confirm the sound plays. If you still hear nothing, reset network settings because notification delivery depends on proper network permissions. If problems persist, delete and reinstall Messenger, sign back in, and re-enable notifications. This rebuilds the app's notification registration. If it still fails, try one troubleshooting tip. Temporarily create a focus exception for Messenger to bypass filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.